Are you cooking your veggies the right way? You may be losing out on essential nutrients. Research shows that boiling can strip vegetables of their vitamins while steaming keeps them packed with goodness. Did you know that microwaving is one of the best methods for preserving nutrients? And when it comes to mushrooms, grilling or microwaving is a must. For those transitioning to plant-based eating, start by swapping boiling for steaming or microwaving your favorite veggies. If you are ready to fully commit, explore a variety of vegetables and cooking methods to maximize flavor and nutrition. Join us at Reimagine to unlock the full potential of your meals. Don't forget to share this video and spread the knowledge. Comment below if you want me to dive deeper into the subject.